Okay, so let's start with the introduction first.
Yes, sir. Start करूं?
Mm-hmm.
Good evening. My name is Anurag Prabhakar. I'm 24 years old. I was born and currently residing in Bokaro Steel City, Jharkhand. I completed my schooling from DPS Bokaro till standard 10th, followed by higher secondary in commerce from Chinmaya Vidyalaya. So I had to change schools, which is situated in Bokaro itself. I have pursued, and I'm currently a hotel management graduate, wherein I have a bachelor's and Bachelor of Arts in Hotel Management from IHM in Aurangabad, Maharashtra, wherein I graduated in 2018. And I've interned at multiple luxury hotels and resorts. And my last experience as an intern was at JW Marriott in Bengaluru as part of a specialization training of my college. This was in the year 2017. And post that, I got placed at this company called Praxis Services as a reservation sales executive, which is a hotel revenue management company based out of Gurugram. And I worked there from 2018 till February of 2020. And in that company, I had the privilege to travel to Portugal as part of its on-site work policy, where I worked at a beachside resort under my designation for 8 weeks. And for a better part of my professional timeline, I was also involved in working two jobs at a time. I was employed out of home as a travel consultant,
Okay, but
basically a travel
got
agent
got
working
it.
on
You have diverse work profile you had,
basically customer
mostly
centric.
mostly in hospitality sector. So
Ji,
why
sir.
do you want to change now for hospital administration?
So I left my job in February 2020. The primary reason being a lack of scope for my growth with respect to both personal growth and finances. And then I started looking for better opportunities and found pursuing further studies as a viable
So
option.
what do you mean by you are lacking growth, personal growth?
Personal growth, primarily the money, and
No,
both scope in
you
terms
you
of
told me you told me the both of the things, personal growth and finances. So what
yes,
do you mean by personal growth?
personal growth as in the job description. There wasn't much growth for me in terms of both the designation and the job description that it required.
So again, matlab, what was you were expecting?
I i i wasn't keen on pursuing a customer. I wasn't keen on pursuing my job in my last company, which is, as I mentioned, Praxis Services.
So
It
you
was
could have
basically a business processing outsourced company. I wasn't keen on pursuing my professional opportunities in that sector.
you could have changed your job. You could have asked. You could have gone for some other profile where you might have a good JD or good designation.
I did search for other jobs, and there were a list of two or three companies that I interviewed at as well. But the primary reason was I did not get selected at two of them. It was a list of 3 4 companies. Did not get
But
selected at two of
that
them,
but
and
that
other
means
companies.
okay. So
Yes,
that means you still have to grow your capability to find that designation or growth in your own discipline also. So
yes.
leaving that, you are coming to hospital administration. What is the guarantee that you will be having good designation and good money here?
Mm, I cannot talk about the monetary aspects at this stage, but when I started looking for better opportunities in terms of pursuing further studies, I came and when I came across this course, initially to me as a student, both as a student and as a potential employee within this sector, it seemed to make sense in terms of aspects related to facility management, or facility administration. As in, I was keen to expand my experience in managing lodging and hospitality facilities to those of healthcare and hospital networks, public, private, or either of them. I
But
basically want to change
but those
my
things But those things that you were missing at your previous job, I think you'll be missing those things here also. So you might not get a very good job or designation or salary after this course also.
That is something I haven't researched as of yet, but I'm sure there are a lot of corporate private hospitals, especially with regards to the growth of the private sector in this
So, so,
in this industry.
so hotels are in a larger number than hospitals, and the charges and the revenue that hotels get is far greater than hospitals. So why do you think that you will be getting better employment opportunity in hospital sector than hotel sector?
They both serve completely different markets, yet,
Mhm.
as I mentioned, as a function of as a function of the administration, which is related to, as I mentioned, facility management. So I'm sorry, what was the question again? You were talking about
So,
opportunities
so I was
in the
talking
hospital
about
sector.
the revenues that hotel industry gets, and is far greater than the industry gets because the number of hospitals are far less than number of hotels and are good hotels. So why do you think that we'll be getting more opportunity in hospital administration sector than hotel administration sector?
I do not currently have the data as it relates to the numbers of establishments of hotels and hospitals. So I don't think I can comment much on that with respect to opportunities. And also, I do not have the data on how much hospitals make, but I'm sure it makes a lot, especially the private sector.
Okay. So again, the next question would be all your work experience and studies is either in the side of hospitality sector or but it was never on the side of medicine or healthcare sector.
No.
So how do you think that you will be able to do justice or you will be able to learn all the aspects of hospital administration here, despite you don't have the profile of or background of health?
Mm, a hospital, basically the whole manpower structure of, be it a hospital or be it a hotel, it consists of operational employees. As in, with regards to a hospital, it consists of frontline workers, which are doctors and nurses, which are in direct contact with the customers, the patients, and the other administrative side, which the customer or the patient may never get to see. uh, so I'm not sure getting, I'm sure I do require some base level knowledge of medical sciences and medical innovations within a particular hospital facility. But what I am not sure of, or what I do not believe, is becoming a generalist or a function, becoming a generalist in the administration side of a facility like a hospital requires an in depth management background or a medicinal background in healthcare.
So when did you decide to pursue this course of hospital administration?
Mm, it was last year, so it was somewhere in 2019.
So you must have done some research about the prerequisite or whatever knowledge we need to have, or you must have studied little about health sector or healthcare administration in India or hospital administration.
I've studied about the healthcare structure that exists in India with respect to the framework that you have, um,
So
as
so
in the
can you
structures that you have
can
got with
you
respect to.
can you throw some light over the healthcare infrastructure that we have in India?
Yeah, as of now. So it all started with the Bhore recommendation, which I guess was somewhere around 1943 to 1946, and it's based on its recommendations, the Bhore commissions, that our current healthcare infrastructure is built around, which is in each and every district we have sub centers and primary hospitals, primary healthcare units, so to speak. Above that, you have the community health centers, their levels, and from there you have the first referral units or the district hospitals, and above them you've got the tertiary hospitals which exist in metro cities and other big districts.
So this is all, mother. This is like all the structured format of healthcare center in
With,
India,
yes,
with the government part.
Yes.
Okay. So have you also applied some other health hospital administration courses which is not in test that might be matlab, offered by other universities?
No, because I literally had no idea any university apart from TES at the time of my at the time when I decided to
But
apply
but
to
but
this.
since last 5 months, lot many university have must have floated the admission notice of hospital administration where you might also have found yourself eligible for those programs.
To be very honest, I did not. It was only through my general research over the internet and one more person who's currently pursuing hospital
So can we
administration
say that
in college.
either you are not very serious about this profession or you are just serious about getting into this?
I am serious about getting into TIS, and I am serious into getting into hospital administration because it is. I don't know if I should mention this here, but I think it does carry a personal dimension to it as well. In that, I do look forward to opening a clinic of my own, which is like 5 years down the line, in memory of my late father who passed away due to COVID last year in a state-run hospital. So that was my initial uh, drivers when I started considering pursuing studies, further studies, higher studies. When I was looking for opportunities, it was only through my research on hospital
So so
administration
so
that it became a
opening
driver.
opening an hospital could have been realized by uh, by other streams also, like you can also be a uh, investor or maybe the promoter of a hospital rather than being the administrator of a hospital. So is it really necessarily to have a hospital administration degree to open a hospital?
I think it really does, having a well-rounded knowledge of managing an entire facility, a certain facility.
Okay. So where
As
did
an
you?
administrator, both as an investor and
Okay.
an administrator. As
Last
an
question.
investor, I can surely put my money into.
Okay, got
A
it, got it. So the last question for you will be, where do you think we did mismanage about the COVID situation? We as an entire nation.
uh, Firstly, there are political dimensions to this, misjudgment on part of the governments, misjudgment on part of the government, and mishandling on part of the district authorities. Not mishandling, but they weren't prepared for something of this proportion at this shorter notice. Also, the healthcare was stretched to its limits. Even the healthcare wasn't prepared to handle such a surge in the number of incoming patients, both private and the state-run hospitals across districts and across cities.
Okay. Okay.
We
Thank
fell
you.
short of resources, and I'm sorry. हो
No,
गया
no.
sir?
हाँ ये हो गया.
Okay.
So for the feedback, I would like to say बहुत सारी चीजें ठीक हैं, but the start was very poor. When you said your personal growth was missing in your last job, so talk about the content of the job, है ना? Talk about the relevancy factor of the job, या social impact of the job.
सोशल इम्पैक्ट कैसे आएगा सर होटल में
आ,
काम करने से?
आएगा आएगा जैसे मतलब इट्स नॉट नहीं होटल में काम करने से नहीं. जब जब तुम पर्सनल ग्रोथ मिस करते हो ना तो पर्सनल ग्रोथ इन टर्म ऑफ जॉब कंटेंट या फिर एक होता है ना कि एक इम्पैक्ट ऑफ द जॉब अगर एक राइट डायरेक्शन में हम देखते हैं सोशल डायरेक्शन में देखते हैं और अगेन इट वाज नॉट अबाउट वर्किंग इन अ हॉस्पिटल व्हेन यू सेड दैट योर लॉन्ग टर्म एम वाज टू ओपन एन हॉस्पिटल सो फ्रॉम दैट तो पर्सनल ग्रोथ हम तुम उस लाइन से वही शुरू में ही जोड़ सकते हैं. So when I asked about ki what is that we're talking about personal growth, तो तुमने फिर जॉब डेजिग्नेशन और पैसे पे लेके चले गए. So you would have talked in other terms, ठीक है? वहां से ही तुम्हारा थोड़ा बुरा हो गया. And it took me 15 minutes to prove the real intent of the real intent of the interest in hospital administration. ठीक है.
जी.
और कम से कम हॉस्पिटल्स तो एटलीस्ट कॉलेजेस फाइंड आउट कर लो कि कहाँ कहाँ हॉस्पिटल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन पढ़ाया जाता है ना? एंड
हॉस्पिटल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन नहीं सर, वो आईएएम्स, वो हॉस्पिटल मैनेजमेंट पढ़ाते हैं।
नहीं, हॉस्पिटल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन आईएम्स वाली बात नहीं कर रहा, इन ऑल अदर यूनिवर्सिटीज जो इंडिया में जो हॉस्पिटल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन वो करती है, मतलब ऑफर करती है, उनकी क्या एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया है, कहाँ कहाँ तुम एलिजिबल थे, एंड व्हाई डिड यू नॉट अप्लाई, है ना, गिव गिव देम सम रीजन फॉर दैट।
ओके।
ठीक है, ठीक है। और तुम्हारा दूसरा कोर्स कौन सा था?
एलएसी।
एलएससी। सो यू कुड हैव जस्ट सेड कि सर मुझे टेस्ट भी आना था, मतलब वन ऑफ द रीजन है ना कि आई डोंट वांट टू टेक एनी रिस्क, है ना, आई वांट टू बी एट द बेस्ट प्लेस पॉसिबल, तो आई कुड हैव आई कैन गो फॉर एलएससी आल्सो, सो आई हैव अप्लाइड टू कोर्सेज, ये भी बोल सकते हो तुम,
ये सोचे थे, बट या
क्योंकि वो
सो
उनके पास
हाँ
होता
ठीक
है।
है, समझ गए।
ठीक है, चलो ये तो
समझ
हो
गए
गया
सर।
तुम्हारा।